Verifying your identity on Venmo is crucial for ensuring the security of your account. If your initial verification attempt fails, follow these steps to successfully verify your identity. Step 1. Check your information. Make sure all the personal information you provided, such as your name, address, and date of birth, is accurate and matches the information on your government-issued ID. Step 2. Use a valid ID. Ensure that you are using a valid form of identification. Acceptable forms include a driver's license, state ID, or passport. The ID should be clear and not expired. Step 3. Take clear photos. When submitting your ID, take clear and well-lit photos. Avoid glare or shadows that could obscure important details. Make sure all corners of the ID are visible. Step 4. Resubmit your verification. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, is something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Contact Venmo support. If verification continues to fail, reach out to Venmo support for assistance. Provide them with details about your attempts and any error messages you received. By following these steps, you can improve your chances of successfully verifying your identity on Venmo. If you encounter further issues, don't hesitate to seek help from their support team.